What material are we vacuum forming with? A lot of people look at our videos and they think, oh, okay, they're vacuum forming plastic. They're vacuum forming seat vinyl. Can I provide my own material? In short, no, you can't. We vacuum form a very specific dash vinyl provided for all the other OEMs in the world for decades now. It's a formulated vinyl specifically for dashes and interior parts. It has UV inhibitors in it, and it is a cross blend between ABS plastic and what you think of as seat vinyl. So it's like, it has a semi-rigidity to it that really allows for dashes to be vacuum formed and last a very long time. So the vinyl thickness is about 5 pieces of paper thick. So it really is not adding much material to anything. And it really does contour to the shapes that come out of the foaming department, which is why we spend anywhere from 20 to 40 hours on any given part coming out of the foaming department. We want those lines to be as crisp as possible. So when the vacuum forming happens, with that little amount of material being added, all the detail lines come out just nice. And as you can see, we've got about 20 to 30 different types of vinyl textures. There are 5 to 10 of the most common ones that we use on most parts, but we do have some of those specialty grains.